Pakinggan muna natin yung sinabi ni Ginoong Hosaka na sinasabi nga ni Chiki kanina, no? Tungkol dun sa kanyang mensahe about sa pressure mounting for them to open yung investigation. So sige, ito po yung kanyang reservation, I think ang tawag dito, no? Kung bakit hindi nila maitodo. Pakinggan po natin.
Trying to prevent something. We're trying to prevent the commission from being weaponized by any individuals. No, we don't even know if the statements there are true or probably said to confuse the commission and even the public. So we have to be careful with that. Kailangan mag-ingat kami dahil hindi naman lahat ng sasabihin dyan tatanggapin na natin na katotohanan. Mami-mislead ang publiko. To, baka nga liniligaw lang nila ang investigasyon ng ICI. At the same time, baka maligaw rin ang publiko.